Nashville, and we're just kind of getting started here, I think.
Ish.
There is music out of every building.
Everywhere.
Everywhere you walk.
Every door there's music coming out of. Every door.
If we hear something interesting, we'll go check it out.
Let's do it.
If you don't know it, Nima and I love country music, and it's very noisy here.
Very noisy.
We were just in Alan Jackson's, and he has some of his band members in there playing right now, and I forget what the other guy, there was a couple other guys from big bands.
So the drummer plays for Lori Morgan, and then the bass guitar plays for him, and they're going to play next weekend at a concert in Ohio.
Yeah. Anyway,
yeah,
so
it was pretty cool.
I'm not sure who the singer was, but he was really good. And it was music from our era that I love anyway. So more
60s, 70s, 80s, yeah. Yeah, the old stuff.
Really good. So anyway, let's move on and see what else we can
But there
find.
is music in every single door. Literally every single door. If you cannot find something you like here, you have a problem. I am moving to Nashville because I'm done. We're off the road. I'm moving to Nashville. I'm getting a job in a bar. Done. I'm here. It's my home.
It's gonna be a bar hussy.
Yep. This is my home. This is my home jam.
Anyway,
let's move on. I think Jason Aldean's bar is down here and Luke Bryan's bar.
Yeah, let's see.
So we'll have to check them out.
See what's in between though. All other parking plans have failed. We're talking 40, 50 bucks. And
for like 4 hours. For like 4 hours. It's like, yeah, it's like $15 an hour to park here.
So our original plan was to park on the other side of the river at the stadium in parking lot R, and normally that is free parking, and then we were just going to walk across the pedestrian bridge, which puts us right here in Music Row almost. It was closed.
Because you're having a soccer game.
Soccer game today. So I think that would be our first option, parking lot R, which is free, and walk across the bridge. The second option that I am aware of at this point that's reasonable is at the Hard Rock Cafe, and that was $25 the other day, so we'll see if they change their price.
It's a lot, there's a lot more people
And
right now.
There's a lot more people on Thursday. We came on Tuesday, July 5th, which was, so that was right after the holiday.
6th.
The 6th?
The 4th was 6th.
Oh, that's right. We came on the 6th, the first time. So I feel like we just didn't see everything we wanted to see. Maybe this is a mistake. I don't know, but I mean, it's not insanely busy, but it is a lot busier, definitely.
Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. Music Row is right behind us. If you like country music, this is the place to come. We came a couple days ago and we went from bar to bar. Oh, sorry, from honky tonk to honky tonk.
Yes.
And there's music, live music in every single honky tonk. So you just go from one to the other and find something you like. We found some oldies country, and we stayed there for a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful down here. It's the Cumberland River flows. We're standing right in front of the Cumberland River. The Tennessee Titans Stadium is across the river. Everything's right here downtown. The Country Music Hall of Fame is here. The Ryman Auditorium is here. All on this road.
I don't think we're gonna get to everything, but we just thought we didn't see enough probably. Like I really wanted to walk across this Cumberland River Bridge here.
Yeah, it's a pedestrian bridge.
Yeah,
no motor vehicles.
Our original plan was to park on the other side. Well, that kind of failed because they're having a soccer game over there today.
Yeah, at the stadium, yeah.
So, but we're still gonna walk up here and at least go across it or in the middle of it or something, look down the river.
Yeah. So let's go.
Let's find a cold beer.
Okay, we'll find a cold beer first. Okay, so we're on the pedestrian bridge. No motorized vehicles. You can ride your bike and scooters and stuff like that on here. It was built in 1909, and it was the first in the U.S. to use concrete trusses.
Yeah. Not only that, I think it's just a great vantage point. You don't see a whole lot unless you're up higher than anything else around here, it seems like.
There's no mountains to get up on to...
Yeah. So the bridge is a little bit higher than a lot of things. So over here we got an open air stadium.
An amphitheater, yeah.
And
yeah,
then
it's
behind
pretty
us,
cool.
of course, Nashville.
Downtown.
And then over here we got the Titans Stadium.
Yeah, the Tennessee Titans play right over there. They're gonna have a soccer game over there, or we already told you that. But yeah, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, so maybe we'll try to get on one of these rooftop bars over here and shoot a little video and check that out.
Yeah. But this goes over the Cumberland River.
Yeah. I just didn't think a trip was complete until we walked over the river, so here we are.
Here we are, walking over the river.
We found our cold beer. Carrying a couple Coors Lights. Say honky tonk.
Honky tonk.
Need to think of what's going to be the thing. Nashville honky tonk. That's just ice water. Oh, I need a video.
We're at Jason Aldean's Rooftop Bar. I'm drinking water because I'm being a good girl. It's not vodka, I swear it's water. They're only $900?
Yep. I'll take one for each foot.
I like these, baby.
Those might be my style.
I like those. Those are cute.
Find your hat.
No. No hat today.
No shortage. Alright. We found that there's 3 to 4 floors on a lot of these places. And a lot of them have a singer or a band on each floor. So it's worthwhile to go in the building and start going up and down the stairs until you find a band you like, or go to the next place.
Because Jason Aldean had 4 floors, and there was a band on each floor. And this one's got 3 floors, but there's only 2 bands. But
So, pretty cool. But it's time for Jeffrey to start drinking some water.
Nima already is.
And then we're gonna find some dinner, and I'm gonna have more water. I got a long drive back. I don't want to be.
Yeah, we're like an hour and a half away from here, so.
Gotta be responsible.
Yep. But we got hours before we go home, so we're good. This isn't no Buc-ee's, but.
No, not Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's don't have pizza.
If they did, I bet you it was fantastic.